Other stock on our radar is Max Financial, and if we still have Yash with us, Yash, Max Financial reported numbers. Q1 look good, but there is also news about Axis Bank raising stake in Max Life. Take us through the details there.
Well, correct. It's a series of events where this particular corporate development with respect to Axis Bank acquiring additional stake in Max Life Insurance has become more important than the results of the company itself. As far as this particular development on the corporate side is concerned, what Axis Bank informed the exchanges is that they would be acquiring additional 6.03% stake in Max Life Insurance. This will be done against a fund infusion which Axis Bank will make into Max Life Insurance to the tune of about 1,612 crore rupees. This particular transaction will happen at a price of 113.06 per share, and the transaction, according to Axis Bank and the information, is expected to conclude within 4 to 6 months. As far as the transaction itself is concerned, Axis entities, which is Axis Bank, Axis Capital and Axis Securities, as of now they hold about 12.99% stake in Max Life Insurance. That transaction was done at 32 rupees per share for a total consideration of about 850 crore rupees. And now for the second leg of the same transaction, whereby another 6% is being acquired, the price per share jumps from 32 rupees per share to about 113.06 per share. With this particular transaction, the total holding from Axis entities into Max Life Insurance will go to about 19.02%. Also, Axis Bank has informed the exchanges that they will be acquiring an additional 0.98%. They'll have the right to acquire this 0.98% at a later stage, taking the total holding in Max Life Insurance to about 20%. Why is this deal positive for Max Life Insurance? Of course, firstly, the deal overhang goes out of the window. So, of course, there is certainty on this transaction happening. There's a stronger focus on bank assurance distribution coming from Axis Bank, and also a fund infusion of about 1612 crore rupees for growth capital at Max Life Insurance.
Okay, all right, Yash, got that. Thank you very much for the details over there. Okay, there's a update from Mirza International, I think, on listing on the other exchange, BSE and NSE, not to list on exchanges. Let's move on. There was another stock that was in news today on the